Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to RAN and Run Lifestyle. So today I'm going to show you something really interesting. My son studies in 5th class in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankatan, and KV actually has a very interesting concept called MDP, which is multi-dimensional project. And every summer vacation they give a concept or a topic, and children are supposed to collect information around that topic. So that is MDP. And this summer vacation, 2025 summer vacation for 5th class, they have given an interesting topic of water conservation. This is a need of the hour topic because the kids are supposed to know how much water is important and they have to use it mindfully, right? So this is a need of the hour topic, definitely. So I'm going to show you what he has done, right? And this is an EVS MDP. The topic is modern tools used by farmers in irrigation. The children are supposed to know what the farmers are using in irrigation. So this topic is very interesting, and what he has prepared is, my son, the different types of irrigation system, and he has collected some pictures around it. Center pivot irrigation system, and the second one is sprinkler irrigation system, drip irrigation system, and micro irrigation, and a picture for it, and some key benefits of micro irrigation. And then the last one is a solar pump. The next topic in EVS is to prepare a poster for water conservation. So there is this rainwater harvesting. You're supposed to save water to save life and stop running tap water when brushing, definitely needed for the kids, and reduce shower usage and use buckets for taking shower, use buckets for water car wash, and then turn off the tap when not in use. This is a poster he has done for water conservation. This is really interesting. And then 5 ways of saving water at home. So turning off the tap while brushing the teeth, and using a bucket instead of car or hose. Instead of hose for cleaning the car, and fixing the leaking taps and pipes using a bucket instead of shower for bath. So he has collected some pictures for it and stuck on this project. And then close taps fully. The water is not supposed to drip. So this is very, very important. And in order to know or be aware, right, the kids to be aware of this water conservation, I think this kind of projects is very much helpful, and the kids will learn a lot by doing these projects, right? It's a very much needed topic. And what would happen if we don't get water for a week? So this is another interesting thing. So what will happen if we don't get water for a week? So life will become so miserable, right? So no water to bathe or wash the hands, no water to cook food or clean utensils, toilets won't flush. Just imagine, right? We can't drink water, we'll feel sick, plants will dry up and become dirty, and animals won't get water, they'll suffer too. Hospitals can't clean and treat patients properly. It's just can't even imagine of this situation, right? So this explains how much water is needed, and we need to conserve water in all ways possible. So water is life. Without it, people, plants, animals all suffer. So I think my champ has prepared a very good project around water conservation. So in EVS, let's see what he has done in Hindi. So again, in Hindi MDP also he has done a very good job. So he's talking about the rainwater harvestation, and this is, I think, drip irrigation, and then shower, water pumps, and then reducing, recycling, and then controlled flow of water. So these are all some of the things he has done for his Hindi MDP. And again, some more explanation around recycling, tap water usage, and recycling the water and planting the saplings. So he has again done something for the Hindi project, Hindi MDP. This is also again revolves around water conservation. So next thing is in English. In English MDP, I think what he has done is he has stuck letters from the newspaper itself. And this is a news article. This is a very interesting thing. He has collected all the news articles about water scarcity, right? So this is very much needed, in this times when the children are stuck to mobiles and they're watching all type of videos, reels, shorts, etc., right? They are glued to their mobile. Newspapers they rarely read. So this kind of activity helps, the kids to go around and search in the real newspaper, right? They touch and feel it, they read it, and then they get to know how it feels, right? Exactly. And then when they collect that information, it just goes into their mind, and they have to conserve water and use it mindfully, right? That thought in them is really strong. And this kind of project really helps the kids to understand the need of the hour, water saving water and water conservation, right? It just goes into their mind. So this is another thing, that is troubled waters, and I think the source is from the Hindu. And water management in India needs a new course, definitely. And this is again the water scarcity report 2. And again one more report, the Krishna river water supply to Chennai may resume by May 5th. This is again from the Hindu. And these reports are collected by my son, and definitely he has done a great work around this. And then the report 4 says Caspian Sea decline threatens endangered seals. Definitely, the damage in water that we are causing in the sea is definitely affecting all the sea animals, right? The seals especially, they are at the threat. And this particular report rightly captures it, I would say. And this is about the 10 slogans on Save Water. Interesting. So how he has put all the droplets that are coming for the 10 slogans, it's very interesting. Stop the drop, save water, do your part, go green to save blue. It's no fun to let water run. Great. Every drop counts. No water, no life. Save water before it's too late. Water is a gift from the Creator. Be its protector. Water is life. Treat it right. Definitely we have to treat it right. Save water, save life. I think these are the 10 mandatory slogans that all of us need to understand. And this is really interesting. And then another thing, how the water is stored in the dams, right? So this has information about all the largest and smallest dams in all the states of India. So all the states of India are written here, and the largest dam, their capacity, the smallest dam, the capacity is written here. And for some of it, he has collected the pictures as well. Example, the Sardar Sarovar Dam, there are some pictures around it. And then this is the Jharkhand dam, the Himachal Pradesh dam. This is the Bakra dam, for which there is a picture. And then there's this Madhya Pradesh Indra Sahar dam, for which there is a picture. And then the Orissa Hirakud dam, and the Metu dam of Tamil Nadu, the famous dam. And the Nagarjun Sahar, again another beautiful dam in Telangana. Uttarakhand Tegri dam. So all these are some of the dams, the largest and the smallest in each of the state. So the next project is about the bar graph of 5 states water capacity. So some of the largest dams are collected, and this is a bar graph that depicts the water capacity of 5 dams. Example, the Metu dam, the Teri dam, the Mahibajaj Sahar dam, the Tungabhadra dam, Indrapuri dam, so which is in Bihar. So all the capacities are put in a graph, and this helps the kids in understanding the bar graph better when they do it practically, right? So anything which is done practically, and you put a hands on and make such projects, you understand the concept well. So anything to understand bar graph, I think this would be a great idea for the kids to understand the bar graph concept also. And this is another thing, that is the topest dams in each state with the capacity. So again, all the states of India are written, and the dam name, the river, height, capacity, everything is written over here. And this is depicted very clearly. I think all the capacity and the height of the dam is given here. And this is about all the projects that he has done for the summer vacation, and it's very interesting that he has learned a lot about water conservation, and I think he will start using water mindfully from now on, because I think he has done a lot of project related work, done a lots of hands-on to understand how much water is important. Definitely, this is a great initiative by Kendriya Vidyalaya, and I thank once again KV for this initiative. Thanks everyone for watching, and please subscribe and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.